Here's something that might surprise you: building wealth through investing is a lot simpler than most people make it out to be. You don't need a finance degree, a crystal ball, or a portfolio stuffed with dozens of stocks. You don't even have to watch the market every single day. What you really need is to own a handful of great companies you understand, trust, and would be comfortable owning even if the stock market shut down for the next 10 years. A lot of investors think the more complicated their strategy sounds, the smarter it must be. They chase the latest hot stocks, try to time the market, jump in and out like it's a casino, and get lost in complicated charts and confusing jargon. But here's the truth: complexity usually hurts your results. The smartest investment moves tend to be the simplest ones. Simple doesn't always feel impressive, so it gets overlooked, but in investing, simplicity is a huge advantage. To succeed over the long haul, don't just chase fast growth, look for businesses with a durable competitive edge. These moats protect companies from their competitors and help them thrive for years. A moat might be, without a moat, fast growth is shaky, like building on quicksand. The best companies don't just grow, they last. Buying a stock means buying a piece of a real business, with employees, customers, plans, and risks. Ask yourself: traders worry about daily price swings. Business owners focus on value. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. In investing, time beats timing every time. It beats being the smartest person in the room. And over decades, it can even beat higher short-term returns. Compounding works quietly and steadily, slow at first but unstoppable over the long haul. Most folks underestimate what a strong company can do over 20 years and overestimate what they can make in just a year or two. Here's the secret: the market is full of distractions, headlines, predictions, hype, and panic. Interest rate rumors, politics, analyst chatter, it's all noise. What matters are the fundamentals. If a company keeps making money, growing, and holding its place in the market, short-term price swings don't matter. The market offers prices, your job is to understand value. In a world obsessed with speed, flash, and chasing the next big thing, real wealth comes from doing the opposite. You don't need to own the whole market to build wealth. Just 4 strong companies, confidence in your picks, and the patience to let them grow. Because in investing, it's not about how fast you move, it's how long you stay on the right ship.